Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Yes Solar Solutions. Congratulations to the incredible team at Yes Solar Solutions in North Carolina for delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship to solar clients of all sizes for many years. Yes is not some huge energy company. It's a locally owned family business started by a great couple in 2009, Kathy and Stu Miller. They've built their company's fantastic reputation on three guiding principles: sustainability, community, and value. And it has worked. Today, Yes Solar Solutions is one of the most positively reviewed solar companies in the eastern U.S. Yes does all types of solar, from really large commercial and industrial jobs to many solar systems that slash energy costs on lots of North Carolina homes. Imagine seeing your electric bill go down to almost nothing each month. That happens a lot with Yes Solar Solutions. At Best of the Best, we care most about our independent research and recent reviews from real clients. We read well over 200 five-star reviews about Yes Solar Solutions, and we could have read more. Customers rave about the professionalism of the team, the workmanship, the fair pricing, the incredible results in energy savings, the fantastic return on investment, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Yes Solar Solutions every single day. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. The team at Yes has given back to many people and organizations in North Carolina over the years. They truly care. We love that too. Congratulations to the entire team at Yes Solar Solutions in North Carolina on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.